And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here in front of us is the 1/144 Gundam Barbataurus, which is one of the latest HG models to come out of the Gundam Breaker Battlogue line. So first, let's take a look at the box art so we can see here Gundam Barbataurus looking all menacing and very evil. Yep. We see here we have the QR code to go directly into Gundam Info YouTube channel to watch the miniseries of the Gundam Breaker Battlogue. Gundam Barbataurus here. Okay, so off to the side we can see him in his rear and front when we have already assembled the kit, and of course some information about the kit, and of course yes, some action poses and whatnot, what you can do with the kit. And off to the other side, yes, of course, this is part of their Gundam Breaker mobile game, wherein you could customize things and stuff in your GUnpla and in the game, and they are just reintroducing it here. Okay, so let's crack it open and let's see what's inside the box. So first up, we have one bag with two runners, gray runners, and a small sticker sheet. Second bag contains three runners here and a wire. Third bag contains three more runners. Fourth bag contains two more runners, and of course we have the instruction manual where we can see Gundam Barbataurus here, and of course the pilot of Gundam Barbataurus in the Gundam Breaker Battlogue miniseries anime. And here we can see that the inspiration of creating Gundam Barbataurus is, yep, both of them come from Iron-Blooded Orphans, which is Gundam Barbataurus and Chimera's Trooper, wherein, yeah, Chimera's Trooper does have a what you call like a center mode here. Yep. So that's his inspiration from it. So let's take a look individually at the runners. Okay, so first off, we have not only one but two A1 plates, runners. So A1 runner is actually, yes, if we see in the IBO kits, this is most likely the inner frames or the framings of the Gundam, because they are, yes, Gundam frames. So yep, we have two A1 runners. We also have an A2 runner here, which is actually, as you can see, part of a bigger A2 runner. So you actually have two A2 runners, but one is smaller and one is bigger. The bigger one has the weapons for that came from Barbatos, and the smaller A2 is actually just the chest area. Now that's what we have. We already have A1 and A2, and we also have a B runner here, which is also still coming from Gundam Barbataurus, only this time it's in a light grayish color, matching Gundam Barbataurus. And then we have an F runner here, which is a combination of red parts, clear red here, some dark gray parts, and some light gray parts. And then we have a G1 runner, a new runner for Gundam Barbataurus, and a G2 runner, also from Gundam Barbataurus. Now the difference with G1 and G2 is, yeah, G1 has this area while G2 doesn't have that, but it has this one instead. So yep, there you have it. We have the G1 and the G2. And of course, bringing back, they have some ABS plastic here, some parts for the joints, two of them of course. They will also give you a tiny sticker sheet, and of course the wire that would later on represent its tail. And yes, of course, let's not forget the instruction manual. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That is what was inside the box of the 1/144 Gundam Barbataurus from the Gundam Breaker Battlogue. So if you are interested in buying this kit, you can actually visit Hobby Toys Laguna, link down below in the description, to order one or to buy one of yours, of course. And if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing this video, and viewing other videos. And this is Mixerwars saying, until next time, see you!